Just a little onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, and the rest is powdered. It's in the powdered form.
Zero.
Okay, so as you can see, I have some onion, scallion, garlic, and some thyme already chopped. I'm just gonna pour everything in on top of my turkey neck. Okay, so don't pour it dry out. This is cayenne pepper. Not gonna use a lot because it's very spicy. Right, this one's super spicy. So just a little cayenne. And the vinegar, I used the vinegar earlier to wash the meat, so it's clean. Gonna use some ginger powder. Just a little ginger powder, not too much. We have some black pepper. Maggi all purpose. I'm gonna go hard on the seasoning. So about that much seasoning, a little bit of salt. Not a lot, just a little salt. Even though I have the fresh garlic, still gonna use the garlic powder. Such a good flavor. And the star of the dish, curry. So we're going to use the curry in 2 steps. First, season the meat with a little, and then the next step we're going to burn the curry before putting the meat in the pot. So I'll see you guys again when I'm placing it in the pot. We leave this to marinate a half an hour before it goes. If you can do it from overnight, it will be better, more flavorous. So we have some oil heating. We're gonna add some curry. This method is called burning the curry. And even though it's called burning the curry, we're not gonna literally burn the curry, we're just gonna fry it in the oil a little bit to get the essence and the flavor and that beautiful curry flavor and color. So since the curry is burning, we're gonna add our turkey neck to the pot. Let it fry a little. Get a little char. Distribute everything as evenly as possible, and I'm doing it in the pressure pot because turkey neck is a generally tough meat, so we're gonna let it pressure for like 20-25 minutes, give or take. So we're just gonna let that continue to brown a bit. and we'll see you back where we're gonna add the water and close the lid. Okay, so this is our meat. As you can see, it got some color. So the same pan you season with all the good seasoning, you just get some water in it. You don't waste it. Then you're gonna pour it over your turkey neck. Make sure everything is in it. Yeah. It's a little bit more water. So we're going to close the pressure pot so that the meat can get tender and juicy, fall off the bone. And I'll see you guys when it's done. Just going to get the pot closed. You have to line up the pressure pot here properly, and that's it. So next 15-20 minutes should be done. Okay. Okay, can you see the steam? It's done. This is what the finished products look like. We're gonna have this with a side of rice. Soft and nice. A little bit of gravy. And this is the final dish. We're gonna have it with some bone broth, chicken bone broth. This is my broth. Just a little pumpkin. Noodles like a chicken soup without the carbs, and that's the final dish.